a better look at that. All right, that's like an $800 induction system there. Cold air, everything. Wow. Okay, what are we talking about? Hi, everybody. Nick Skiba here with a Bronzefire 2014 Ford F-150 EcoBoost FX4, which of course means no chrome, and some other neat options off-road wise. So you can see the running boards are like a charcoal color. It's leather inside. Beautiful truck. It's got the console in it and touchscreen radio with, this does not have navigation, but it does have heated and cooled seats, touchscreen radio, and trailer brake controller, locking rear end. Miles on this, 99,600. I hope you can read that. And Bluetooth, cruise control, power adjustable pedals, seat memory, crew cab. See the rolled up tonneau cover there. What else? Just a beautiful truck. Oh yes, backup camera. There's our backup camera right there. And the box you can see has a mat in it. Normal use for the age. Nothing terrible. Here at Snowy Mountain Motors, I believe this is a second owner vehicle. We sold it new, took it back in on trade, sold it again, and now it's back. This is a 6.5 foot box, in case you're wondering. And for the interior shot, we'll just come right around, show you the beautiful rest of this truck. Worst thing on this truck is this right here. Tiny little scrape, no big deal. And the same thing on the front bumper. As we work our way there, there's a little scratchies right down there. But otherwise, this will make a beautiful first vehicle truck for somebody. Come check it out at Snowy Mountain Motors. It's priced to sell.